2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, keyless entry, aluminum wheels, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, premium sound system, climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.